In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the content-aware fill feature in Photoshop. So I'm using Photoshop CC, and this will also work in previous versions down to Photoshop CS5. It's, as far as I know, it's unavailable in any previous versions before CS5. So I've got this photo here, and I love it because there's my dog right there, but maybe I don't want a dog in my ocean view photo. So first thing I'm going to do is duplicate this layer, and I can do so by right clicking and choosing duplicate layer, or I can just do a quick duplicate by Control or Command and J. And so fortunately for this, it's just a very small, I guess, blemish, if that's how we want to say it, in the photo. So I'm just going to use my quick select tool right here, and I will just select this area here that she's included in, and maybe I'll just cut out a tiny bit there. Just make sure that the dog and the ball are included in there, and you know, who knows what you want to get rid of in a photo, but you can adjust the size. So I've got my area selected, and this is a photo, so I can easily do this. Just right click on it and go down to fill. If that's not an option for you, you might need to rasterize your layer. So you can just go over, right click, and click on rasterize layer. Mine already is a raster layer. Yours might be a smart object or something, so it may not work. So if you're having that problem, that's probably what it is. So okay, so I have my area selected, and I don't need to choose my move object pointer or anything to do this. Just right click and choose fill, and contents aware. You can choose different things here, but we want content aware, and we're just going to leave everything how it is for now and click on OK, and it works its magic. Boom. So I'm going to hit Control or Command and D to deselect, and as you can see, she's gone from there. So there's my my ocean view with the, you know, future sunset coming down with no dog. So I'm just going to hide this layer to show you before. So there she is, and now she's gone. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my website at sallyu.com, and have a great day. Thanks so much for tuning in.